should be alright. We're gonna ride the elevator here at the, this is a Scottish Rite temple. Oh nice. Otis pre-Lexin. Alright, let's go to 2. This is a really awesome elevator. Ooh. Let's go to, come on camera, focus, go to 1. Look at that. Ooh. Door close works when you push the button. This silver does not have any classic leveling. There's your button. It does have the old 1958 bumpers, so it's pretty cool. I did get permission to ride this elevator. And it has your key switch. Let's go to 1. Let's take one more ride on this and we'll get off. We're gonna go back up to 2, then we're gonna get off at B. Alright, B. We're gonna get off at B and they'll end the video since they are probably waiting for me to finish. I like that phone, look at that. I can go turn it off. Alright. Oh. What's funny is it only doesn't have an up and down button, just one to go up and down. Oh, no. Okay. Let's get off at 1 then. Alright, let's get off here. Here's your button. That's a really awesome elevator. I know Cubs Rule 2040, you're gonna love this. From 1958 on Modernized. And that's gonna be it. Come on, focus camera. And there.